Hey, welcome back everyone to another craft workshop which I attended at Kalabhumi Bhubaneswar. This craft is known as straw craft which originated from Kerala in India. This is a unique hobby activity in which pictures are created using rice straw. The pictures, which is a collage of opened out strands of rice straw, is stuck on the black card paper and then framed and displayed. The state government of Odisha recognized rice straw painting as a craft recently, that is 3 years back. Pradipta Nayak and his co-workers are the lone craftsmen in the state of Odisha practicing and promoting the straw painting. The village of Jirala in Dhenkanal district is today synonymous with the straw painting. Here the artist is explaining how they create these strands without using any chemical and artificial color. They use the young straw pieces to get the yellow color strand and the decomposed and the older straws for getting the red and brown color straws. They use a foreshape to flatten and polish the straw first from bottom to the top in a flat surface, and they cut middle of the strand to get a flat surface straw. After the strand is created, by using the foreshape, they run it from bottom to top so that it gets polished and became flat. Likewise, they create many other strands like that and they paste it in a piece of paper. So total 35 number of these strands get pasted in a A4 size paper to get a whole sheet out of this straw. So likewise, the same process is being practiced to get different color strands out of these straws. And they paste it with the help of Fevicol by brushing it on the back surface of the straw and keeping the shining part on the upper side. And a whole sheet of these strands with the straws is being created, which later on used for making different kind of art through this. After the straw sheet is created, it is used for creating different art forms. So first the picture is being traced in a white carbon sheet and then traced back in a black paper or black canvas. Here I have created a rose plant. So the replica cutting sheets of this straw is being pasted on the black sheet to create the complete art form. After the whole art form is created, it is painted with the wood finish to give it a shine so that it can stay for a long time. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel Avinash Patnaik to watch more such creative videos. Thank you.